In this video, we will talk about how to install Microsoft Store apps without Store. Click in Search. Type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. First, let's search for app. Type Winget space search space Telegram and press Enter. Here you can see we have Telegram desktop. To install the app, we need to use its ID. So select it with the use of mouse. Then press and hold Control key and press C on your keyboard. Type Winget space install space app ID. Make sure you do not have extra spaces. Then press Enter. Here you can see it's installing the app. So that's how you can install Microsoft Store apps without Store. See you in the next video.